Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for installing Rek Gen Mud Flaps on a 6th generation Ford Bronco. This is on a 2024 Wildtrack with the Sasquatch package, and I've included a link to this product in the description below, so make sure to click on that and check it out. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna remove A, B, C, and D on these fasteners. And they're just like the pop fasteners, so you unscrew it and then it should come out and you just pop these out. And then we'll pull this back so that we can put the threaded fasteners on the back side here. So we'll pull this back, and we have A, B, and C, and we're going to slide these U-clips over. The deeper side goes towards the back, so they'll go on like this. We'll insert the plastic retainer here. Okay, so it kind of like pops in the hole on the back side here. Alright, like that. And then you gotta line up the 3 screws. D. There it is. Okay. Now we'll get these started. Need to go.
It's hard to tell the wheels.
It said you could use a level, but I don't know how level the Bronco is. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so now we can snug them up. Sweet. I don't think it's going anywhere. I need like a stubby screwdriver. Thanks for watching this how-to video. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button and click on the links in the description below for these Rek Gen Mud Flaps. Thanks for watching.